Edit these placeholders to get started. What is an API? An API, Application Programming Interface, is a system that allows different software programs to communicate with each other. It acts like a bridge that lets applications send requests and receive information from other systems. Instead of accessing a program's internal code directly, an API provides a clear set of rules that define how requests should be made and how responses will be returned. These rules include the format of the data and the actions that can be performed. APIs play a huge role in modern software development because they allow different platforms and services to connect, share data, and work together smoothly. Understanding APIs with a simple analogy. Think of an API as a translator between two people who speak different languages. Imagine this situation. Person A only speaks English, your app. Person B only speaks Spanish, the server or database. The translator understands both languages, the API. The translator's job is to make sure both sides understand each other. What happens without an API? If person A tries to speak directly to person B, person A, English, what's the weather in Paris? Person B, Spanish, ¿qué? Since they don't share a common language, the communication fails. The message is not understood. What happens with an API? Now imagine the translator is involved. Step 1, the request. Your app asks, "What's the weather in Paris?" Step 2, translation. The API translates the request into the language the server understands. Spanish request sent to the server, ¿Cómo está el clima en París? Server response, Está soleado 25 grados. Step 4, translation back. The API translates the response into English. It's sunny 25 degrees. Step 5, your app now displays the result to the user. Communication successful. Important ideas behind this analogy. 1. Applications usually cannot communicate directly. Just like two people who speak different languages, software systems often require an API to understand each other. 2. APIs follow specific rules. The translator doesn't change the conversation randomly. They follow clear rules, similar to how APIs follow defined request and response structures. 3. Standard data formats are used. APIs typically send data using common formats like JSON, which makes it easier for different systems to process the information. 4. Communication goes both ways. The API doesn't only send requests, it also receives responses and delivers them back to the original application. 5. APIs may provide extra information. Sometimes the API adds helpful details such as status codes, error messages, or additional data to make communication clearer.